Let me know if I got a deal. I got all this off of Facebook Marketplace for $10. If you think I got a good deal, please like and share, subscribe, and I'll keep finding more cheap items on Facebook Marketplace, and I'll go fish with them. Never seen one of these before. Looks cool. Nice. I don't use much of these. Nice. Good amount of stuff. All for $10 off of Facebook Marketplace. Bunch of sinkers from the fire line. This is cool here. Never seen one of these before. If you guys know what this is for, let me know in the comments. Whoa, that's cool. Never seen any of this stuff before, guys. If you guys have any idea what these guys here are, comment down in the chat. I'd like to know. If I got something that's worth more than $10 here, let me know. That'd be cool to know. Catfish bowls, sturdy sticks, and a Catfish Pro Rod. I think it was a good deal. Thank you for watching. Please like and share. Subscribe for more videos. Thanks. Peace.